I'm back again to show you my results, guys. All right, I've been using crypto signals in Telegram for years, but I've never seen anything like what I've been showing you on this YouTube channel. I found a signals group first called SignalPeak. Now, what they do is they give you signals from the 10 best signal providers on planet Earth. And then I also found another signal provider, VIP Crypto Galaxy, all right? And this is different to SignalPeak, but it is just as insane. So let me show you these two right now. Please note a disclaimer while I show you these. All right, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So first of all, let me show you SignalPeak. This is the first group I found. And guys, I am so blessed that I found it, all right? If you go up to their name, go to more and go to SignalPeak bot, you're actually gonna have the chance to get involved with this for completely free. You can get 3 days for free just to see what I'm talking about. What have you got to lose? All right. And you will get forwarded signals from all of these bots. But guys, stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a discount code that is going to save you so much money, literally thousands of dollars. All right. So what happens is you click 3 days for free and it will ask you which groups do you want to join. Feel free to click every single one of these groups. Then you'll see on your Telegram, you have all these groups popping up with signals. Guys, sometimes it's so hard because you've got so many to do. So let's start with Binance Killers. Okay, Binance Killers, let's go through some of the profits that they made. They send a signal like this, all right? They'll send the markup so you can see it. You can go to TradingView and mark it yourself. So this one is StoreG against USDT. They'll say it's 3 to 5x. It's a direction long, so just so you definitely know, okay? Then they'll show you the take profits. They always usually put like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because they want you to decide, all right? But as it takes number one, feel free to move your stop loss to there and just guarantee yourself profit. So 126%, 195%, all right? Absolutely insane. Some of these profits, 114%. Imagine doubling your money just on signals, every single one. But guys, Binance Killers gives you about 3 to 5 signals every single day, all right? You need more than that. So that's why you have all these groups and you only pay one fee for these. So you have American Crypto, Crypto Man VIP, Bitcoin Pumped, Rose Premium Signals, Fry VIP. Okay, guys, let's have a look at some of the percents in here, okay? Let's have a look. What do we get? 150% in here on this one, 141% on this one. Okay, absolutely insane, all right? Sorry about that. These markings are just insane. 237%. Bitcoin Bullets. How much have we been making in Bitcoin Bullets? 15%. Absolutely, just 15% is insane. Never mind the hundreds of percents, all right? Crypto Inner Circle. This is where they talk a lot about what trades are coming up, the swings, things like that, okay? And they tell you if they're getting in. Wall Street Queen, all right, going through, telling you the exact entries, the exact targets, exact stop loss that you need to do. So look at this one, 150% profits, 10x, guys, all right? Always win premium. So these are what you get inside of SignalPeak. So guys, I have a code for this bot. Okay, instead of paying $350 for a lifetime, you can pay the amount for 1 month, $99, and get the lifetime fee. But you need to use code FREEDOM99, FREEDOM 99. That will get you the whole lifetime, every single one of these bots, everything I just showed you, $99 for life. You'll never pay another penny. Now let's go into VIP Crypto Galaxy. I always call it Vipto. I don't know why. Okay, this is an incredible project on its own. And look at the gains that they are given. They, of course, also give you signals like this, okay? What coin it is, the direction, how many X, the entries, the take profit, and where you should put your stop loss. So let's have a look at some of the profits for these signals, okay? So this one got 144%, 79%. 54%. Guys, this is insane. There's 168 subscribers in this. It is blowing up. It is crazy. We are getting you a discount code for this channel, okay? But get involved right now. Go and have a look at it, all right? You could do a one quick follow signal, okay? That means you just click this and you literally follow the signal as it goes on, all right? And you can follow it. It's incredible, guys. VIP Crypto Galaxy is kicking off. So together, SignalPeak and VIP Crypto Galaxy, they are the two biggest signal providers I've ever found, and I found hundreds in my lifetime, guys. So use FREEDOM99, FREEDOM99 to get involved right now. Links down below. Get yourself some money. Well done to everybody that got involved yesterday. It's time to make some real manual crypto trading by copying the professionals.